In the medical molding industry, compliance isn't optional, it's critical. As a medical molder, you must meet FDA requirements for healthcare validation. And that includes validating not just your processes, but the software behind them. But there's a problem in the market called risk adversity. You're under pressure, and you want to prove that your systems are compliant, yet you're left without the information that you need to validate the technology, and that drives your process faster. And that's why RJG developed our software validation protocol for our Hub and CoPilot that gives you and your quality teams assurance to move forward with your validation process. Our validation supports your internal testing by complying with IQ, OQ, and PQ protocols, establishing confidence that our technology will perform according to the requirements of the technology specifications. Installation Qualification ensures that your system is properly installed and ready to perform, as it verifies the proper setup and configuration, the compliance with the manufacturing requirements, and that it can operate within the required range, and that your maintenance and calibration plans are then in place. Operational Qualification tests that the system functions correctly. Does it do what it's supposed to do? Well, our validation proves that it does consistently and reliably. Performance Qualification ensures that your software performs in the actual production environment. It validates that your final process outputs meet specifications for functionality and safety. For our customers, this isn't just documentation. It's confidence. Confidence that our product that you're using will be tested, verified, and approved. In a highly regulated, risk-adverse industry, this validation becomes your stamp of approval and RJG's commitment to supporting your compliance every step of the way.